These are how the Swiss villages in central Switzerland looks like. Look at these beautiful wooden houses overseeing the lake. No pollution whatsoever. It's really clean. This trip is going to start in Bern, going to Thun, then Interlaken, down to Bernese Oberland. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It helps me grow my content. I'm going to take you on to Eiselwald, passing from Bern to Thun, show you around on a BMW R9T. We took it for this trip and you have to be very well behaved.
Einverstanden.
Finally arrived. Have some drinks. I'm so hot here.